welcome back to my channel. I'm Selah, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me throughout a cozy weekend in my life with a new baby. I'm a first-time mom and stay-at-home mom, and my baby is almost 4 months old, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me through a little weekend in my life. We have a girls' Christmas this weekend, which he is coming with me to, and then we're just gonna have like a nice stay home cozy weekend, and I want to share it with you guys and open up my life and my home to you. So if you guys are new here and you like lifestyle and travel vlogs, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the family. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. I post new videos every single week on Wednesdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And anyways, let's get into the video. I'm so excited to have you guys come along with me. So I'm actually starting this vlog out the weekend before Christmas. So Christmas is this coming week, and I've gotten all my wrapping done and everything, and all my gift shopping and stuff. And if you guys watched my last video, you would have saw that. So I don't have any of that to do. So honestly, this weekend, besides girls' Christmas, which I look forward to every year, we have so much fun. We are doing like a little white elephant gift exchange that we do, and I already wrapped it. I wish I could have shown you guys, but I got like this gift set from with like all Victoria's Secret like mini perfumes, and they all smell so good. So I'm so excited to see who gets my gift, and I love doing that. Other than girls' Christmas, we're just gonna have like a cozy weekend in. I don't have any other plans except to get my nails done. So spend the weekend with us. Hi guys, good morning from bedhead. So I have girls' Christmas later. We have girls' Christmas. Are you ready to see the friends? Are you ready to see all the other babies? So that's gonna be an adventure. It's been snowing all morning, so hoping the roads are good by the time we leave later. I'm gonna be making chicken adobo for my husband when he gets home from work. And we've just been hanging out all morning. I was super tired this morning. Right, baby? Say hi. Mwah. So we're just gonna have a relaxing day and then go to girls' Christmas later. Also, the baby is napping right now, so I'm going to at least attempt to do my hair because he's a little bit afraid of my Shark Flex style, like the air dryer sound. So I'm gonna at least do that in my room while he's napping, and then if he wakes up, worst case scenario, I can do my makeup while he's awake. Show everyone your cute fit, baby. Look at your little bear outfit for girls' Christmas. So I've actually made adobo a few times, and I've made it different ways. I made it with chicken thighs, I've made it with wings. I'm using little like drumlets and flats today, but I will have the exact recipe that I used linked down below. I always use Pinterest for my recipes, but this one for chicken adobo that I found has like the best flavor. My husband approved. He's Filipino, for those of you that don't know. Okay, I have been rushing like a crazy person the last hour. I have to run out the door and go to girls' Christmas. I got Carter and I ready, barely, but let's go. Hey guys, I just got back from a girls' Christmas a little bit ago. It was so much fun. We stayed for like 3 hours, and Carter was so good. He literally didn't cry. He was just the sweetest boy, and I'm so proud of him. We did a white elephant gift exchange, and I got a hydro jug. It has like red sparkles on it. I'm so excited. I don't have a hydro jug yet, so I'm really excited for that. We just had so much fun. It was such a good time, like having a different type of girls' Christmas this year with like the husbands and the babies, and I can't wait for like Christmases to come and girls' Christmases to come when even all the babies are older and can like play together and stuff. It's just gonna be so much fun. So I didn't vlog there just because it was kind of overstimulating with baby and everything. So, but it was a really good time, and I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Hi guys, happy Saturday. My parents just left a little bit ago. They stopped by to see Carter, and I got to run a little bit of errands and go to the gym. I'm back home now. I'm going to prepare some chicken breasts because tomorrow I have our friend Joe, his girlfriend Mackenzie, and myself and Ryan, we're gonna have like a little game night. And I'm gonna make buffalo chicken dip as requested by them because they loved it. The baby is napping right now, which he's still having his 4-month sleep regression. Last night, I've noticed that when I put him in the Snuggle Me lounger next to me, he'll sleep a lot better. He just needs to be snug, but the swaddle was just like making him mad. So I feel like I put on his owlet sock so I can monitor him. I feel like he's okay in the Snuggle Me lounger, but let me know how long the 4-month sleep regression lasted for you guys. He's doing a little bit better. He has like one long stretch, and then after that he kind of wakes up like every 2 hours. So it's still a little difficult, but he is napping more throughout the day. He's napping right now. When he wakes up, I'll probably give him a bath and then put him down for the rest of the night. But just having a cozy Saturday night in because next week is obviously Christmas and Christmas Eve, so things are gonna get a little busy and hectic, so we're just enjoying a nice weekend at home and then tomorrow with friends. Well, he's up already. That was like 20 minutes. His naps do not last long during this regression. Also, you guys, I'm sitting here thinking about it, and like Carter was such a sweet angel baby yesterday at the girls' Christmas party, and a few people sent me a video of him with my friend, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna insert it right here so you guys can watch it, and I hope it puts a smile on your face because it definitely does for me.
He's so funny.
She goes, yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Doesn't even have that much hair she's for.
What are you doing?
I like hot chicks only.
Oh.
Hot girls only.
Whoa.
Let's go racing by in silence. I'm just a passenger with you, baby. All that you've ever known is freedom. World I've only known from the outside looking in. Heard a heartbeat in this ghost town. Who's in my mind but you? Oh yeah, tell me when the sun goes down. This is my secret too.
Does anyone else find after like hours that it's hard to entertain a 4-month-old? You get bored so easily. But this is one of his favorite toys. Did you just have a bath? Look at your hair. We gotta brush that. Oh, and your jammies. Yeah. The baby's asleep. I am so tired, you guys. Good night. Hi guys. Good morning. It's Sunday. Carter woke up 11 times last night. I am so tired. This 4-month sleep regression is killing us. My husband works very late, and I've just been taking care of him all day, and he doesn't nap barely for longer than 20 minutes. He doesn't sleep good at all. Obviously, he wakes up every like 45 minutes to an hour. It's just crazy, and it's been going on for 3 weeks now, and a lot of times when I'm taking care of him and stuff, I'm like, well, I'm really good at this, like, I love being a stay-at-home mom. And then there's other times where I'm like, I don't know if I can do this, like, I'm falling apart. And right now is when I feel like I'm falling apart. I'm so tired. I feel like a zombie. My eyes feel like they're bleeding. And it's times like this that I just really, you notice like who's there for you and who's not. And I've had like a few people who have really been there for me and just even like talk to and like not judge me and understand like what I'm going through. I'm trying to complain because I'm not gonna cry on the internet, even though I really just like feel like I need to. Hi, comment. Today's one of those days where I feel like I really could just like cry and it might make me feel better. Sometimes I just wish I had like someone to tell me like they're proud of me or like I'm doing a good job or something besides my husband. Yeah, obviously. I just feel like it's very lonely. It's very, very lonely sometimes to be a stay-at-home mom, especially on the weekends, like because my husband works a lot on the weekends, and like I don't know. I wish I had like just feeling sad today and tired. Just really hoping that this sleep regression doesn't last much longer. If anyone watches this video and takes anything away from it, let me know how long this lasted for you and if there's a light at the end of the tunnel or if I'm just, this is how it's gonna be from now on. Now I have a nail appointment to get rid of these Christmas nails. I'm getting a different set for the actual holidays. I have that in an hour, so happy Sunday, everyone. Just got my nails done. I'm obsessed. I love them. So festive. Okay, I just got a package in the mail. Someone sent me a really nice gift.
I like this bunch.
This is from Moment Made Co. on Etsy. I will have it linked down below for you guys, but look how cute this ornament is. It says Baby's First Christmas 2025 Carter. Can't wait to hang it on the tree. Alright, just mix everything together for my buffalo chicken dip. I'll have the recipe linked down below for you guys if you want to check it out. It's so simple. I'm just going to put it on low heat for 3 to 4 hours. By the time it's done, we'll be back from our lunch/dinner and the game will be starting, so it'll be perfect time for buffalo chicken dip and games on this Sunday.
Go racing by in silence. I'm just a passenger.
Okay, so the Lions lost and we had a good day. We had a good dinner at one of our favorite sushi Japanese restaurant. Watched the game with our friends. Unfortunately, the Lions did lose and we're probably not going to make the playoffs now, but now I get to go get the baby to bed.
Who sees my secret?
Just stopped at Starbucks. I know it's really dark because it's so early because my kid does not sleep right now, but I went and got a gingerbread chai and I'm hoping to romanticize my morning if I have to be up this early, and this is your sign to do something good for you if you're struggling.
Sun goes down. Who sees my secret truth?